You were the first person actually that I have met in all the. I've seen in all the orators that are so happy and free going actually. There were none of the orators that I've seen are were always so serious. They had the look on the face, the Hitler look. But you were like all fun and jolly, and whatever we listened, whenever we listened to you, we could concentrate. Well, last time when I came to Vicky Vitanagar during Utsav Samaro, the person who was speaking, I actually slept at the last, but I didn't sleep today. So, sir, you gave us an opportunity to learn that we can listen. We can listen. Yes, we can. And you gave us the opportunity to think about the future. You have enlightened us with knowledge. Not only knowledge in a sense, but you have helped us to see in a broader way. You have helped us to see in a way that most of our parents also can't have, because every now and then whatever our parents would be saying, that we'd come home, you should study, they'd be sending us to tuition, there'd be so much of pressure, and I've never regarded of thinking of studying through the heart. That was also a first time experience. So in a way you have helped us to let's see in a wider range. You have helped us to know more. You have given us, even though you pointed me out, and that was my wrong, that I was wrong in that way. And so I would like to say sorry to you, because what you say is good, and what you say is not actually good, it's better than good. It's actually the best, because I've never really heard a person saying by the heart. And I would actually like to imply it in my own life, so that I can do better in the future, because you've given me the opportunity to see in a way. And I hope that from today on, not from today, but from now onwards, I can do better by learning, by implying it in my own life, by doing better in every day. And I hope that I can be a better person. Instead of doing only good in studies, I hope I can be a better person, so that I can become something in life. And sir, maybe after 20 or 30 years or so, if I become something in my life, I would like to meet you.
I'll be there 40 years more in life.
So lastly, I would like to thank you, not only from the side of Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya Nirjuli, I would like to thank from all of us, as all of the girls and boys sitting here are my brothers and sisters. Thank you, sir.
I want to see a...
Good afternoon. When I first came here, I thought that this day was going to be a complete waste, because as always, we were going to meet some resource person. They will say Shashi Kumar sir would be so influential and so different from all the other orators that I've heard till now. One of the few problems that I face as a student is that, well, till class 10 it was okay, and I understood nearly all that the teachers thought. At least I thought that I understood. But now, as sir said, that even if I was given any paper from class 10 or even 9 or even 8, I will not be able to solve it, because I did not learn it by heart. I just learned it by brain for gaining marks. I'm sure that everyone seated here, be they very brilliant or even the backbenchers, in fact I think that those who are brilliant learn it by brains, and those who are not, those who get very less marks, I think those are the ones who really learn it by heart. Because those we have brains, we only learn it and we get marks. But those who do not, I think that they are the ones who study for marks. Study for learning, and not like us who study for marks. Now that when I'm in class 11, I understand that now at this stage, learning just from marks will not help me in my future, because even now I do not understand many of the classes. In some of the classes, no. In almost all the classes now, I am just sitting blank, because I do not understand what is happening and what is... I did not understand the problem until now, that why I did not understand. all my life as a student, I've always excelled in all my studies. But now I face this problem. I understand it because I do not study regularly. And as sir says, I do not know how to manage. My father says that I am like someone who does not eat for one whole month or a year, and at the last stage I'll eat everything. And father says that someone who does that, who eat regularly, will be healthy, and those who eat the whole year's worth at a single point, they will die. That is the problem we face now. I do not study regularly, therefore when the exam comes, I get all tensed up. Oh, I do not know this, I do not know that. And of course, we start blaming the teachers. I hope that none of my teachers are listening. But still, but sir has cleared that doubt in my mind. I always thought that only my father said that, and others even they said that I did not listen. But now that sir is also saying and stressing this point and has shown it through so many examples, I think that I just might try it because to see if there is any improvement. There is so much.
Never change yourself until you get realized. But if you want to change now and have realization, have it now. What is that you want? Do you want a realization now or after 60 years?
No.
After 60 years, if you do, you have the computation of your time spent, right?
Yes.
6 years, 2 years. At the age of 60, you start computing. You will say, 2 years I studied, 20 years I slept, 42 years I left anything without doing nothing. You want that? Better?
And I would really ask to all of you people, so don't change yourself because you have your potentiality, as sir told, in yourself. It's like I would not change myself, I have to be an engineer. As for a while, I just raised my hand, but you didn't so. So it should be good. So that's the truth. Hey. And although, as for concerning about this, I loved it. I love this session.
You love me?
It's probably God is not just mentally affected.
Sorry.
Oh, no, sir. Here are some points that I would like to share with you, all of you, my brothers and sisters, and also some of the staff members, and dedicated to our class teacher, who always scolded me for using
You're from this school?
sir.
Your colleague?
Please don't just. Okay. Well, if I guess so, now I haven't changed a bit, but I will certainly change a bit. And I hope all of you guys could do a lot better than me. Because we know, in this Vicky Vitanagar in New Delhi, we are almost more than 8.8 and up and all the stuff. But still we like, I really know that when we are in class 11, we don't go through all this kind of stuff. And I know many of them have secured low marks as far as a matter of fact, but I won't like to share. But just explaining it in one as all, sir, I would just like to say, so nothing, but I just wanted to share feelings that just go right through me. So you can get this note, so son. I love this speech. And then, so you guys, come on, let's just put all of you God and don't be ashamed because we are all brothers and sisters. I just wanted to make all of them to just raise an hand, just not taking so much time of yours and everybody's. Just wanted to conclude it. Thank you.
Start.
Yes, come on, start.
Good, good.